In front of us, we have question number 2 of exercise 3.4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if exist by the elimination method. The first part is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So let the fraction is x by y according to question. If x numerator is x, if we add 1 in x and subtract 1 from y, we will get 1. Okay, now solve the equation. X plus 1 equals to y minus 1, x minus y equals to minus 2. This is equation 1. Now according to question, second equation is, a fraction reduces, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So second equation is, if we add only 1 to the denominator, then this equation is best. So now solve this. This is 2x is equal to y plus 1, that is 2x minus y equals to 1. This is our second equation. Now we will solve this equation by elimination method and find the value of x and y. Now multiply 2 with equation 1. Multiply the equation 1 by 2. Multiply the equation 1 by 2. We get 2x minus 2y equals to minus 4. Then subtract equation 2 is 2x minus 2y equals to minus 4, and second equation is 2x minus y equals to 1. Now we will subtract this. This is minus 2 minus plus 1 is minus y equals to minus 5. It means y is equal to 5. Y value is this. Now put the value of y in equation 1. What is our equation 1? Equation 1 is x minus y equals to minus 2, x minus 5. This x is equal to minus 2 plus 5. X is equal to, fraction is, so the fraction is equal to x by y, that is 3 by 5. Okay, thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.